Okay, for this product review, this is going to be on a Logitech K120 keyboard. I picked this thing up for 12 bucks at Walmart the other day. Actually, we got two of them. My wife picked one up as well. A few key features of this keyboard is it does have a low profile design, and it's got very quiet keys. It's a full-size keyboard, spill resistant design. In other words, you spill something on it, it's going to come out the bottom. Durable keys that can last up to 10 million keystrokes, they claim. Strong adjustable tilt legs. Plug and play USB connection. Bold, bright characters. And no software installation. And they aren't joking when they say bold, bright characters. I'm interested to see how it's going to work in very dim light. So there you have it, the Logitech K120.